Hi, I wanted to show off this really cool game that my friend Loren Sherman made for the Time Travelers Weekend convention that just wrapped up. Lauren made the game, and it is quite simple, yes, but also quite awesome. Because it's quite simple and ties into the event, Lauren's like, oh, I'm not gonna post it on my website for downloads or anything, yeah, that takes effort. But after seeing how many people liked playing it and seeing the game itself, I want to show the world the game, including you guys. And if you wanted to play it and try to compete for a high score with me, which I'm really bad at the game, so it should be quite doable, I think that could be a lot of fun. Plus, if we get enough hype, maybe Lauren will put it on their website for people to download. So yeah, the website's shermansplanet.com, and the game is currently called TTW Time Travelers Weekend Crash, and that is because your ship is out of control and its acceleration is increasing, and you gotta crash into green prisms to slow yourself down. The longer you go without crashing into a wall, the higher your score. And F inverts your controls. There is no pausing once you get going, so whew, let's go. So close. Oh boy, give me a thingy. I want a thingy. Oh boy! Yippee. So yeah, that's the game. And you see how one of the game usernames is dashed out? There is a secret name to input that you learn by playing the tabletop RPG, and it gives you some points, if you put in that name and stuff for the greater event. But yeah, if you think it's cool, let me know, so I can let Lauren know, and if you want to play it, that would be awesome, especially on stream so people can see the new game. But yeah, bye!